Let's talk about using the insert constraint, which is a faster constraint to work with. If you're placing components from the content center, especially bolts and washers, some of the pins will do this, but not all of them. Most of the bolts and washers have a function called auto drop. And what that allows you to do is you can hover on an edge and Inventor will measure that edge and resize for what it thinks is the best fit component. When you select that edge, you do have the ability to follow the pattern. That's what this little checkbox does in the auto drop box. Now you might look at this and think, well, that's not a pattern. It is. In that plate, the holes were drilled based on a sketch pattern. But I went into the sketch pattern and I suppressed certain elements of those center points. That's why you get this kind of scattered look to it. But it still recognizes, hey, these were made from a pattern. So it will follow them and put a bolt in every single one of them. Very quickly, very easily. There's one, there's the rest. Now, what if you're working with something that is not from the content center? Maybe you're working with something that you downloaded. Could be a special fastener or something like that. What's the quickest way of getting these components in there? Well, you can use, of course, centerline mates and face mates. So I could centerline and centerline that, apply it, face mate here and here, apply that, and then the same thing. Centerline of the bolt, well, try again, pick the wrong thing. Centerline of the bolt to centerline of the hole, and then lastly, underside of the washer to the top of the plate. That works. That was 4 different constraints. Let's cut it in half. The way you do that is to use a different constraint known as insert. Insert is fantastic for fasteners. That's where you really get the power of it, but it works for anything. With the insert, I'm selecting circular edge and circular edge. Notice the center line is calculated based on the normal of that circular edge. Apply that one. Circular edge to circular edge. Done in half the time with half the clicks. So if you've got a bunch of these that you've got to put in some kind of scattered pattern like this or scattered placement, the insert command can save you a lot of time.